Hey there, aspiring podcasters. Are you ready to turn your passion into profit? Today, we're diving deep into the world of podcasting and uncovering how you can leverage your creativity and expertise to create a successful side hustle. So grab your mic, tune in, and let's get started on this exciting journey, finding your niche. The key to podcasting success lies in finding your niche. What are you passionate about? What topics do you have expertise in? Whether it's fitness, finance, true crime, or anything in between, there's an audience out there waiting to hear what you have to say. By narrowing down your focus and catering to a specific niche, you can attract a dedicated audience and stand out in a crowded podcasting landscape, creating compelling content. Once you've found your niche, it's time to create compelling content that keeps listeners coming back for more. From engaging interviews to thought-provoking discussions and captivating storytelling, the possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to let your personality shine through and inject your unique voice into every episode. Remember, authenticity is key to building a loyal audience. Monetizing your podcast. Now that you've built a solid foundation for your podcast, it's time to explore monetization strategies. From sponsorships and advertising to merchandise sales and listener donations, there are numerous ways to monetize your podcast and generate income. But remember, monetization should never come at the expense of your content quality or integrity. Choose revenue streams that align with your values and resonate with your audience. Growing your audience. As you continue to produce high-quality content and monetize your podcast, focus on growing your audience and expanding your reach. Leverage social media platforms, email marketing, and collaborations with other podcasters to attract new listeners and engage with your existing audience. Remember to engage with your listeners regularly and encourage them to share your podcast with their friends and family. Scaling your podcasting empire. With the right mindset and strategy, your podcasting side hustle has the potential to become a full-fledged empire. As you scale your podcast, consider diversifying your revenue streams, investing in professional equipment and production quality, and exploring new opportunities for growth and expansion. Whether it's launching new shows, hosting live events, or partnering with brands, the sky's the limit for your podcasting journey. And there you have it, folks, a roadmap to turning your passion for podcasting into a profitable side hustle. Remember, success won't happen overnight, but with dedication, hard work, and a little bit of luck, you can build a thriving podcasting empire that not only generates income but also brings joy and fulfillment to your life. So grab your mic, hit record, and let's make some magic happen in the world of podcasting.